Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get started with ChatGPT for personal growth. So basically, getting started with ChatGPT for personal growth can be both an exciting and transformative journey. So here is a step-by-step guide to help you utilize ChatGPT effectively. So number one is there, set a clear goal, identify a specific area in your life where you want to grow, and some common goals include like learning new skills, languages, coding, or cooking. You can just improving productivity, time management, or organization. And you will just self reflection like exploring personal values, setting goals, or working or mindfulness. So this is you can just use chat gpt for your personal growth. So if I just give them command of I want to learn cooking. So I will just give them command I want to learn cooking. So that's great. Learning to cook is a fun and rewarding skill that can improve your daily life, whether you want to start with simple recipes or explore advanced techniques. And there's a lot of discover in the kitchen. Here are few tips and steps you just have to help you to get started. So start simple, begin with easy recipe so that don't require too many ingredients or complex techniques. A few examples of beginner friendly recipes are like scrambled eggs and pasta with marina sauce, and stir fried vegetables and grilled cheese sandwich. So if I just scroll down a little bit, and it will says that get familiar with basic cooking techniques. So you will just learning a few fundamental techniques will help you cook a variety of dishes. Some of these include chopping and dicing vegetable, and you will see they are give you the all process to cooking. So equip your kitchen, learn to follow recipes. So this is you can just use the chat gpt for your personal growth. If I just tab on my new chat gpt chat, so if I just give them command that I want to set my daily diet plan. So I just give them command of I want to set my daily diet plan. So I can help you create a daily diet plan. So to tailor it to your needs, could you answer a few questions? What are your goal? Like weight loss, weight maintenance, muscle gain, over health? Or do you have any specific dietary preferences or restrictions? Example, vegetarian, vegan, gluten free, keto. So how many meal and snacks do you want in a day? Examples, 3 meals with 2 snacks, 5 smaller meals. What is your effectively level? And sedentary, moderately active, very active. Do you have any specific food you love or dislike? Let me know. I can craft a personalized plan. So I will just tell that in daily life, I will take 3 meals, but I want to lose my weight. So I will just tell them that in daily life I will take 3 meals, but I want to lose my weight. So I will just give them command and let's see. So great, since your goal is weight lose, so you prefer 3 meals a day. I will create a balanced plan that focus on creating a calorie deficit will still providing enough energy and nutrition. To make sure the plan fits your needs, here are a few more questions. How are you during the day? This will help estimate how many calories you burn and how much energy you need. And what is your current weight and height? This will help you calculate a target calorie range for weight loss. Do you have any preferred food or ingredients? you like to include or avoid. Once I have this information, so I can provide a detailed diet plan. So you will just tell them your estimated how many calories you can burn and how much you earn for your energy to need. And you will just also just tell them your height, weight, and these all the question. You will just give them accurate answer and it will provide you a diet plan for your daily life routine. So this can make you get started with ChatGPT for personal growth. And when you just complete the all session and talk with this chat, and it will be go from here, and you will just open chat gpt daily and you will just tab on it. And when you just set it, and it will be set a diet plan right over here today's. So you will just simply just tab on it and it will show you the all procedure and time for eating your lunch, dinner, or your breakfast. So that's it. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.